To transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to a Dcent wallet, start by opening your Coinbase wallet and clicking the Send button. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, such as Bitcoin. Next, you will need to paste the wallet address from your Dcent wallet into the input bar. To obtain this address, open your Dcent wallet, click the Receive button, and then click the Add Account button if you haven't already received cryptocurrency in the wallet. From the list of cryptocurrencies, select the one you want to receive. Enter a name for the account, and click Create. The cryptocurrency will then be listed on your home page. Click on it. Then click Receive to access your wallet address. Copy the address and return to the Coinbase app, pasting it into the designated area and clicking Continue. Enter the amount you want to transfer and click Preview. If a warning appears, click Continue. Before completing the transfer, ensure that the wallet address and network match in both the Coinbase and Dcent wallet apps, and verify the amount being transferred. Once everything is confirmed, click Send Now, and the cryptocurrency will be transferred from Coinbase to your Dcent wallet.